In this video, I'll show you how to browse the internet on LG TV. Step 1. Open Home menu. Turn on your LG TV. Press the Home button on your remote control. Step 2. Find the web browser. Scroll through the app ribbon at the bottom of the screen. Look for the globe icon labeled Web Browser. Step 3. Launch the browser. Select the web browser to open it. Use your remote arrows and OK button to navigate and enter URLs. Step 4. Browsing tips. For faster typing, connect a USB keyboard or use the LG TV Plus app on your phone. Bookmark favorite websites for quick access. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. I wish you happy surfing, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I will try to help you out the best as I can. Bye.